So now I'm going to show you my nail files, the GelMoment. They have the small and the professional, big nail file. I use this one at home all the time, and I travel with this one. So we'll just buff the nail just a slight bit, and you can also use the white edge for filing. So the gray side is a light buffer, which offers a great protection for your nail. So, and all you do is just a slight buff, nothing dramatic. Just want to take some of that. If you have really oily nails, there will be a great big high gloss shine. And you may want to use Dove soap before you actually apply the polish. If you do have really oily nails, if you don't need it. But some people have really oily nails. And if you look at your nail, see, these are fairly just normal nails. They don't have a high gloss shine. Oily nails will have a high gloss shine to them. And like I said, this is just a buffer side, the gray side, and the white side is your file. See, just like so. So, and after you do the filing, you will do the cleansing, and they come in 50, hundreds, or tens if you get a kit. So, and then you just, once you've done all the nails, you just clean them all up, right? So we're getting the prep done for the applying polish, right? So there, that's ready to go to apply polish on. Okay, our next video will be applying the polish. Follow up.